Okay, brief garden update. So this is my water storage. I get 100% of the water from the roof. Goes into these barrels and these bags and is powered by this solar pump. It's just an RV pump with a car battery and a solar charge controller. This is usually enough water for my garden for the whole year. It's a simple heap compost for garden waste. Works pretty good. It's just heaped up against the fence and a couple of cinder blocks in the back just to keep it contained. I've had to reorganize my garden this year. I now have all the round bins on this side of the garden, and they're mostly for things that get tall. Cucumbers, potatoes, the kind of broccoli that I grow is a tall broccoli. And it makes a very tall stalk, and you get these little flowerets at the end of the stalks. As you harvest them, it branches out and makes more little stalks. So you don't get a big head, but you get a lot of little stalks, and it keeps producing throughout the year. This has been going since I planted it in August of last year. These are actually designed as planters. They have no bottoms in them. On this side, I've rearranged these garden beds. Again, more of these galvanized steel planters without bottoms. I had to put them in this kind of funny configuration because the cloche that I bought for them is just a little bit shorter than the actual beds. When I measured it, it would have been okay, but I think that the measurement they give for the actual cloche is the outside measurement, not the actual inside measurement. And the frame, while not very thick, is thick enough that I have to put the beds like that. This is my beets, carrots, onions, and garlic rotation. I've got one more cloche to go over this bed. These are volunteer onions that I missed pulling out last year, but they're doing really well, so I'm going to leave them in there. These beds have been turned. I still have to add compost. This is the experimental greenhouse. It's only a few years old. It's from a $500 greenhouse kit. As you can see, it's 3 degrees outside and it's 18 inside the greenhouse. So it works pretty darn well. These are my tomato and cucumber starts. I've got some more that I'm going to start in the hydroponics, and we'll fill out this space. Okay, so that's it for our brief April 2023 garden update. I'll keep you posted with infrequent updates as we go along.